Welcome back to Richie Burns Unboxing.
Let's get this bad boy open!
Okay, hello. What do you think are in these boxes, William?
I don't know.
Let's have a look.
Get this bad boy open!
Let's put it down and see what's in it. Try to rip it open.
Yeah.
Let's go. Do you think it's a dress?
No.
What do you think it is? It's the Nerf Elite Disruptor.
I like it. I like the bullets. And I like all of it.
So it can shoot up to 27 meters, William.
Yeah.
Do you think that's enough?
Yeah.
It's for 8 years and older. Do you think you should be using it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, William. What do you think this one is?
Maybe a big gun.
I think it's a dress. Let's cut this. Should we get this bad boy open then?
Yeah.
You'd be better at using this knife, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Well, you can't use it. You're too young. Okay, come on, rip it.
Wow!
What do you think about this one then, William?
I like it.
A mega double breach. It shoots 23 meters. It's a bit shorter than the other one, but it's got bigger bullets.
I know how to chop the stick.
Yeah, we're going to chop it open in a minute.
Yep.
Double barrel blasting. Nerf double cannon.
I will use this.
You would use it.
You would use that and I would use that. What's up with this?
One is bigger than the other. So which one? You're going to use this one, are you, William?
Yeah.
And I'll use this one. This one's about the same length as you.
I know.
So, William, out of these two, which one do you think is more impressive?
Mine.
The little one. This one's longer than your legs.
What about I can have that one and you can have this
Okay.
one? I'll have this one.
So, should we crack them open?
Yeah.
So, you said you're him on the front of you.
Yeah.
You look like him.
Okay.
Get this out. Oh, all the tape. Oh, what's this? Don't need those, do we? What do we do with these? So we got some bullets. How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Yeah, that's right. There are 6. Crack these bad boys open, shall we?
Let's open this.
Let's open it. Oh, look how it's put together, William. To stop people like you breaking into it. Oh, it's falling out now. So this one is a slam fire action. And
You can have this one.
fire and strike fast with 6
You
darts.
can have this one, okay?
Okay, should we load it up?
This one's not.
I thought that one was mine.
This one's mine.
Alright. So we'll load this one up first. Should we get this bad boy loaded, William?
Yeah.
You've changed your tune. You wanted the small one, now you want the big
No,
one.
that's mine.
Hold on to this. Let's open it. So we'll do the same with this one.
This one is mine.
Is it?
Let's get this bad boy open.
Okay. So it's got some nice string to do it up. Oh, we'll cut this off. Oh. This one's got plastic on it.
I know.
There we go.
That's easy.
I know. So look at this one, William.
Wow.
Hold on to that. What else have we got? We've got a dart holder.
I think you do this.
I think you
Put the
stick these on the back like this.
Wow.
That holds the ammunition there. The bullets go in there. 4, yeah, that's right.
And this back, then you put the bullets in.
Yeah, so we're going to put 4 on here. 1, 2, 3, 12. We've got 2 to go in the barrel. Should we load them in there? Oh, wow.
I told this one's mine.
And there's nothing left.
Ready?
Do we need instructions, William? So what's yours build like? Is it big? Get back.
I have to do it.
Get back! Get back!
I have to do it. Look at this. What's this?
Is it working?
I'll use that one. What's this?
So we got this one loaded. Is it working?
Yeah.
So, whoa! So that one's loaded. It's quite easy to use.
I know.
Go again, William. This one is a bit more complicated. I think you pull this back, pull the door back, slide these in all the way, put that back, fold it like this. Whoa!
Wow! Wow! What about we can swap?
You want to swap now?
Yeah.
If you grab that bullet, we'll load this one up for you. Oh! Don't shoot me in the face! Don't shoot people in the face with these. We'll do this, pull this back, load it up. Okay, is it all the way in? Okay, now we'll do this.
Ow!
That was a nut shot. There you go.
Ow!
Sorry, William. No, there's one in there. You just need to pull the trigger.
I need to put this one.
No, it's all right. Pull the trigger. Don't shoot me in the nuts, though. That's loaded, William. Jeez, William. You always aim it at people's faces. Spiky. Come on. This one's a pretty good shooter. I got William in the nether regions with it. I don't think he likes me using it.
It's what?
Okay. Wait! Now, William, give me that back. No, come on. Put it down. No, what are you doing? Oh, William, you crazy. Oh. Oh. Oh, William, give me that back. Oh. Oh. What? After what you did to me? Oh dear. Give me the big gun. So both these guns are from Nerf, and this is the Double Breach Mega Blaster.
And this is
The Disruptor.
Disruptor.
Okay. This one is about £20, but I managed to pick it up for about 10. This one is retailing for about £40, but again it was in the sale half price.
What's the other one?
£40. We only got two. Oh, a bullet. Oh, it doesn't matter. They pack some real punch, don't they, William? One packs quite a bit of punch. Doesn't it? Don't shoot me in the face. Yeah. It's probably for 8 years and older, because younger kids just want to shoot you in the face all the time. I could shoot him in the head. Don't do that. I would say, I don't know, it depends how much don't shoot me in the face though. Whoa.
Sorry.
£40 for this one seems quite a lot, but you can pick them up for half price quite a lot of the time. Whoa. But as we can see, they are quite accurate. Whoa. Wow. So yeah, I think you pay for quite a quality gun because the accuracy's there. I don't know how long they last. You suppose? And that's how accurate they are. Even a 4-year-old could get a bullseye with one, couldn't you, William? You shouldn't have taken your eyes off the prize, William. What do you think about these guns then, William?
I like them.
Do you like them a lot?
Yep.
You excited to open them?
Yep.
What do you think about them then? Brilliant. Take off your jacket.
I got a baby. Cannonball!
Alright, so that's our little unorthodox review of these two bad boys. Which one's your favourite, William? Why don't you like this one very much?
I do like that one.
Is it too big?
Yeah.
That one's quite good for you. It's quite a nice size, isn't it?
Oh, look.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good. So William prefers the Disruptor. I quite like a double breech mega. Maybe I'm overcompensating for something, aren't I, William? Yeah. Give it a kiss before you use it here. You're a savage. So we hope you like this video, don't we, William? What should they do if they like it?
Hit the subscribe button and you can see more of our videos.
They're good fun. Don't hit me. Right.
Let's go!